Kim Soo Hyun's agency GOLDMEDALIST has released a new statement regarding their legal action against YouTuber Kim Soo Hyun and Kim Soo Hyun's family. On May 9, LKB and Partners law firm, the legal representative of GOLDMEDALIST, officially announced that the agency and Kim Soo Hyun filed additional complaints and pressed charges against Kim Soo Hyun, the operator of the YouTube channel HoverLab Incorporated, hereinafter HoverLab, and Kim Soo Hyun's family for violations of the Act on Promotion of Information and Communications Network Utilization and Information Protection, etc., defamation, as well as violations of the Act on Punishment of Crime of Stalking. Read the agency's full statement below. 1. Today, GOLDMEDALIST and actor Kim Soo Hyun filed additional complaints and pressed charges against Kim Soo Hyun, the operator of the YouTube channel HoverLab Incorporated for violations of the Act on Promotion of Information and Communications Network Utilization and Information Protection, etc., defamation, as well as violations of the Act on Punishment of Crimes of Stalking. They also filed additional complaints and pressed charges against the bereaved family of the late actress Kim Soo Hyun for defamation under the same law. 2. As is widely known, during a press conference on May 7, 2025, at around 2 p.m. Kim Soo Hyun spread utterly absurd and false information, stating, actor Kim Soo Hyun and the late actress Kim Soo Hyun had been dating since middle school, and the late Kim Soo Hyun first had sexual intercourse during the winter break of her second year in middle school, and there is a recorded file to support this, and Kim Soo Hyun's side tried to persuade the informant with 4 billion KRW, approximately $2,855,000, to hand over the recording file, and when the informant refused, they attempted to have the informant killed by sending 2 hitmen. These are, quite literally, groundless and false claims. 3. Looking more specifically at Kim Soo Hyun's statements, exactly 5 days before the crime, late at night on a Friday, a Korean and a Chinese hitman entered the country through New York's JFK Airport. This case is being investigated not by the New Jersey State Police, where the incident occurred, but by the FBI. The informant was stabbed 9 times in the neck area while getting out of the car in the parking lot on the way to work. The Korean hitman is Lee Hong-gu, born in 1992, with an address in Gwangyang, Jeolla Province, and the other is a Chinese national of Korean descent. The hitmen were arrested by the FBI, and the FBI's investigation revealed that just before the crime, there were call records on the hitman's phone with someone related to Lee Jin-ho, and this is clearly a case of incitement to murder. These are claims that are impossible to accept, even by the standards of common sense. 4. Furthermore, regarding the legal representatives for the lawsuit and complaint, Kim Soo Hyun also spread incomprehensible falsehoods, stating, lawyers from LKB and Partners law firm representing the lawsuit and complaint visited the house where the informant who provided the recording file was staying and asked where the informant was. The tenant couple living in the informant's house said that a physically imposing man of Korean-Chinese descent, who was with 2 LKB lawyers, felt threatening. And the representative lawyer of LKB also called the informant to try to persuade them, and the FBI has secured a recording of this as well. 5. The above statements by Kim Soo Hyun are complete lies without a shred of truth. Kim Soo Hyun recklessly spread outrageous falsehoods about actor Kim Soo Hyun based on forged recordings and photos downloaded from the internet. This is a crime of a much more serious nature than any of the crimes Kim Soo Hyun has committed so far. Accordingly, GOLDMEDALIST and actor Kim Soo Hyun have promptly taken additional legal action against Kim Soo Hyun and the bereaved family of the late Kim Soo Hyun, and we will do our utmost to ensure that they are punished according to the law and principles.